friends, welcome to my channel again. This is my another phone. So this is the part 3 of FIFA Combat. So today we are going to play FIFA Combat part 3. Last video we played festival mode, but today we will play multiplayer mode for the first time. Let us start, friends. Please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon, and please like my videos and give comments. So friends, this is the FIFA Combat. We're keeping the sound less because it's very fast. This is ad coming. It comes every time. We start with online. So friends, we are now taking multiplayer mode. We'll take this character. My name is Kite Fighter Om. My nickname is Om. One Priya we will take for the first time. Now there are many users, so which user can we take? Let us see this user. Here are many people. See, there are named Khatak, Kite Fighter Om, my name Tubulaka, all types of name. These are online players, Multiply, Faiz Khan, all this type of names means they are playing with us in online from their home and different places, from another state, another country, another place. So friends, this is an amazing game. We can play with our friends by sitting by side in our home and enjoy it. I will play with my cousin. See friends, I've cutted him, so he's going far. Now let us fight with this man. Oh no, he has also taken a kite again faster. So let us first take with him. Let us fight, and we have cutted it. We will cut it. So friends, we said we will cut it, and we will now take this kite. So friends, we said and take it also. Now we will do it. We have cutted this kite also. He was trying to cut me, but I cutted this kite. So I have cutted 3 kites. I am going for the 4th kite. Many people have joined this game, multiplayer mode, and I am very happy. Oh no, he cutted my kite. I couldn't control and it got cutted. My favorite kite is also this one, my manja, saying to do pecha in some long length, or else they will not play. There are many names, Aryan, Opal, like, oh no, he came near me and cutted my guys. This is not fair. I will take a struggle with him. Again he has cutted me. Oh no, what is happening? Let me play nicely with giving mind in this. Full mind. And the most nice thing is that my exams are ended. And now by speaking, I cutted this kite also. Wow, I'm cutting kites. Friends, I wish you can play this game. It's not very big size game. It's very less game. Means it's very less, and it's the best game for kite flying. It's a kite fighter. So friends, this is the kite, friends. So friends, I have gone for that and we have cutted it. So friends, it's very nice. So friends, I am going for the fifth one. I'm playing and I've cutted it. So friends, this is a record. With one kite I am cutting many kites. If there were 1,000 people, understand how could I play? There would be kites and kites. We can here give messages also. Hi, like this many messages also we can message to our 4-5 friends. Even in this game in multiplayer mode, more than 15 people also come. This is the most best game. I will like for those who are a kite fighter and are a kite lover can play this game in their home, enjoying it. I really play this game with my cousin, multiplayer mode. See friends, again I have cutted this kite, that black kite, and I have taken this kite in my manja. Again I have to cut this kite, or while I will go down it will take my kite. Cut my kite. See friends, is coming to cut my kite. So friends, again I have cut it. Oh, now I am laughing. It's very interesting. So friends, this is it for today. Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Bye.